If this doesn't motivate you, nothing will. Because what you're about to hear is not just a speech, it's a reminder of who you truly are. Every single day, life throws challenges at you. Rejection, failure, self-doubt, pressure, fear, and expectations. But today, I want you to remember this. You were not born to stay average. You were not created to surrender. You were made for something bigger, something louder, something powerful. And deep inside you, there is a fire waiting to burn through every limitation. Too many people dream big but live small. They talk about success but don't work for it. They wait for motivation instead of creating it. But you are listening because you know you have more inside you. You know you're capable of more, deserving of more, built for more. This moment, right here, right now, is your turning point. If this doesn't shake you, push you, and wake you up, then nothing else will. Every successful person you admire today was once exactly where you are, confused, scared, unsure, and tired. The difference? They refused to stop. They decided to take one step forward even when things made no sense. They chose discipline when motivation disappeared. They believed in themselves when no one else did, and that belief transformed them. Remember, you don't need the entire staircase visible. You just need the courage to take the first step. Your past does not define you. Your failures do not define you. Your mistakes do not define you. What defines you is your decision today. You have two choices: continue living the same life or build a life you will be proud of. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Because once you start, momentum takes over. And momentum is more powerful than motivation. Success is not for the talented. It is for the consistent. It is for the one who wakes up every day and chooses progress over comfort. It is for the one who practices when others sleep, who learns when others waste time, who grows when others complain. Success belongs to the stubborn, the ones who refuse to give up no matter how long it takes. And I promise you, if you keep pushing, something incredible is waiting for you. You need to stop waiting for the right moment. The right moment will never come. Opportunities come to those who move, not to those who wait. Even if you take slow steps, take them. Even if you don't know the full path, walk anyway. Even if you are scared, move through the fear. The world doesn't reward potential. It rewards action. And action starts with you. Look at your life. Look at your dreams. Look at the person you want to become. Are you willing to let fear decide your future? Are you willing to let laziness steal your destiny? Or will you rise today and say, enough. This is my time. This is my journey. This is my life. And I am ready. Because if this doesn't motivate you, nothing will. So stand up, breathe deep, take your next step, and let the world watch what a determined human can truly do.